Let's solve this question here, that which of the following biomes that is to be considered as a temperate biome. If we talk about the temperate biome, that is between the tropics and the polar regions. Like between the tropics and the polar region, the area is known as a temperate zone. And the particular changes which takes place in these regions, they are mostly under or between summer. Along with summer, they are in the winter, and they are generally moderate. Rather than there must be extreme climatic condition,